What's this room?
This is the TV, and I have my hat and my bag and shirt me, mom, myself.
Yeah, but this is for...
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Anak ni na Elise Hoson at McCoy De Leon na si Baby Feliz Mackenzie, kinagiliwan sa kanyang mini vlog kasama ang kanyang lola. Sa ibinahaging video ng mga ito ay napakagaling na ipinakita ni Feliz ang loob ng kanilang salon. Napakabibo naman talaga na bata, at artistahin gaya ng kanyang mga magulang. Ating panoorin ang kabuuan ng kanyang nakakaaliw na video.
Bakit?
Oh, how about...
Chicas can see.
Can see.
Maybe because computer see me, and I'm computer too.
Okay, how about the VIP room? It's full of Feliz things right now. What's this room?
This is the TV, and I have my hat and my bag and shirt me, mom, myself.
Yeah, but this is for the action. We have
This is my ice flow, and this is
Lala's
yes.
IV drip. Oh, there. Ito na, bumalik na. Okay.
Okay.
What else? What else do we offer?
This one.
What? That's for the nails.
That's for the nail, but this is the carefree. This is
How about the pantry? That's where we eat. And that's our supply.
this one.
Yeah.
But already I didn't see you. And you can.
This is Lala's corner.
This is
There. Go out na. There's no connection. Okay, here. There's connection.
and welcome to ABB. This is Chico's.
And this is Mommy's decoration.
And this is Chico's toy.
And then
When you pass and Chico's want to play.
to play.
And tapos Chico's want to play. So many easier and new one. And this is our bringing them to open the door.
Okay, now we're going na. Okay. Come and visit us.
What do you want from me? What do you want? That's for me. I don't know if this is our finance, but I'll come and see you. Okay?
Is that for your nails? Hmm?
No. No.
Okay, let's go now. We're going to your ballet. Okay, see you later, LBB.